What's up guys, I'm Jay of Defy Fitness, personal trainer, previous fitness model competitor, and self-proclaimed gym junkie. In this big box, which makes me look small, is an Olympic weight plate holder from Fitmass. So let's get right into it, unbox it, and put it together. Here's the Olympic weight plate holder with barbell storage in its final form. Wasn't too hard to put together. I just used a ratchet wrench to put it together, which made it a little easier. There is a bit of wobble to the stand. Once I load up the weights on this, I don't think it's gonna wobble much at all. So let's throw in some plates on here and let's see how it goes. Overall, you can see this is great. It holds all my plates. So I have some 45s, 25s, 2.5s, 5s, 10s. I actually don't own any 35s. My ceilings are too low. I have 93 inches of ceiling height and a standard Olympic bar is just over 86 inches. And you need the 12-inch clearance of the holder to be able to place your bar into the holder. So just keep this in mind if you're looking to store your bars vertically. Overall, I think this Olympic weight plate holder is of good value. It has a nice black finish to it. I like that it has rubber rings on each sleeve to prevent scratching. I like that it has rubber feet to prevent scratching on the floors. And I like that it has plastic inserts on each bar holder, and that prevents scratching of the Olympic bars. If I were to make any improvements, I would recommend adding wheels to this. I always like having the convenience of being able to move stuff around. However, the only issue is with wheels, this whole holder would be a little bit taller and that could pose a problem for storing the bar vertically with people with low ceilings. Hope you liked the video, and I'm Jason of Defy Fitness, and I'll see you in the next one.